Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Spectrum TV app local channels not working. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to check your internet connection. The local channels on the Spectrum TV application are highly tied to your internet connection and the location. So you need to first of all make sure that you are connected to your home Wi-Fi network. So this is critical. Spectrum restricts the local channel access based on your network. So if you are using the mobile data or a different Wi-Fi connection, the local channels may not appear. So reconnecting to your primary home network and you just have to try again. Now, if the issue still persists, you can try our second method in which you just have to restart the device running the application. So sometimes the temporary streaming glitches are extremely common. For that, you just have to simply turn off your smart TV. After that, you just have to unplug the power. Then simply wait for 60 seconds. After 60 seconds, plug it back in and reopen the Spectrum TV application. So this particular step is going to clear the temporary applications and the memory issues. Now, if the issue still persists, you can try our third solution in which you just have to verify the location permissions. So local channels heavily depend on the location detection as I've told you earlier. So you just have to go to the settings of your device. In this setting, you just have to make sure that the location services are enabled for the Spectrum TV application. If the location access is blocked here, the application can't load the regional contents. So make sure that you enable the location here. Now you can also try refreshing the app session. So app sessions sometimes become unstable. So first of all, you can log out of the Spectrum application. Then you can just simply log back in. This also restores the missing channels. If the issue continues, you can just simply verify your Spectrum account. Just make sure that your TV package includes the local channels in it. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.